Good afternoon, student. In last lecture, we had seen harmonic progression. And what is the nth term of harmonic progression? Nth term of a harmonic progression is 1 upon the nth term of AP. Now, in this lecture, we have seen types of mean. First, arithmetic mean, short form AM. Arithmetic mean ची definition आहे, if x and y are two numbers, then their arithmetic mean is given by a is equal to x plus y upon 2. Here x, a and y forms an AP. Arithmetic mean definition लक्षात आली, a is equal to x plus y upon 2. This is the arithmetic mean चा हा काय आहे formula. Now x, a and y forms an AP. AP means difference is common. Second term minus first, third term minus second. That is forms an AP. That is a second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. So this is minus a. We will take in this side. So this is plus a plus a. This is minus x. We will take in that side. So y plus x. So this is a plus a is equal to 2a, and this is can be written as y x plus y. So a is equal to x plus y upon 2. This is the arithmetic mean of x and y, two numbers, x and y, two numbers. Then arithmetic mean is given by a is equal to x plus y upon 2. This is the formula for arithmetic mean. Now second is geometric mean. Geometric mean, x and y are two numbers having same sign. दोन्ही पॉझिटिव्ह पाहिजेत किंवा दोन्ही काय पाहिजेत निगेटिव्ह पाहिजेत. जे तुम्ही x and y नंबर्स असतील ते दोन्ही आयदर पॉझिटिव्ह पाहिजेत किंवा निगेटिव्ह पाहिजेत. Then their geometric mean is given by under root of x, y. This is the formula for geometric mean. Geometric mean g is equal to under root of x and y. This is the formula. Observe that x, g and y forms a GP, geometric progression. Geometric progression असेल तर काय असतो, ratio of two terms, two successive terms is constant. So g upon x is equal to y upon g. So this is we'll take cross multiplication, g into g. G square is equal to x into y. So g is equal to taking square root on both sides. So square root of g square is g, and square root of xy is under root of xy. So this is the formula for geometric mean. Now we will see third type is harmonic mean. Third type is harmonic mean. Harmonic mean, HM. If x and y are two numbers, then their harmonic mean is given by, harmonic mean चा formula असा आहे, HM ने denote करतात harmonic mean, and formula is H is equal to, formula is 2xy upon x plus y. This is the formula for harmonic mean. X and y are two numbers, then their harmonic mean is given by h is equal to 2xy upon x plus y. आता x, h and y forms HP, forms a HP. That is HP आहेत म्हणजेच काय आहे, लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण पाहिलं की जर सिक्वेन्स HP मध्ये असेल तर त्यांचा रेसिप्रोकल काय असतो, AP मध्ये असतो. म्हणजे x h y forms HP, that is 1 upon x. Reciprocal of x is 1 upon x, reciprocal of h is 1 upon h, reciprocal of y is 1 upon y is in AP. So AP मध्ये असेल तर डिफरन्स काय असतो, डिफरन्स इज कॉन्स्टंट. सेकंड टर्म मायनस फर्स्ट टर्म is equal to third term minus second term. This is the difference is common. किंवा आपण डायरेक्ट ह्यांचाच अरिथमेटिक मीन घेऊयात. हे AP मध्ये असेल तर त्यांचा अरिथमेटिक मीन काय असतो, अरिथमेटिक मीन इज 1 upon h is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 upon y upon 2. This is the arithmetic mean of AP. जर सिक्वेन्स AP मध्ये असेल तर त्यांचा अरिथमेटिक मीन काय असतो? A is equal to x plus y upon 2. Here this is x, this is y and divided by 2. Clear? XHY HP मध्ये असेल तर त्यांचा रेसिप्रोकल काय असतो? AP मध्ये असतो. रेसिप्रोकल आता ही सिक्वेन्स कशी आली? AP मध्ये आली. AP मध्ये असेल तर आपल्याला अरिथमेटिक मीनचा फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे, A is equal to x plus y upon 2. So 1 upon h is equal to, this is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y upon 2. So this is 1 upon h is equal to, take cross multiplication in numerator. So 1 into y, y plus x into 1, x divided by xy, and this is whole divided by 2. So this is, you can write x plus y upon 2 into xy. Okay. So 1 upon h is equal to x plus y upon 2xy. So h is equal to 2xy upon x plus y. So this is the formula for harmonic mean. Okay, लक्षात आले? Types of means is, first is arithmetic mean, second is geometric mean, and third is harmonic mean. Formula व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवा. आता आपण एक फॉर्म्युला थेरम पाहतोय. अरिथमेटिक मीन, जॉमेट्रिक मीन अँड हार्मोनिक मीन मध्ये काय रिलेशन आहे त्याचा एक थेरम आहे. थेरम, इफ A, G, H are arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. A is arithmetic mean, G is geometric mean, and H is harmonic mean of two positive numbers, of two positive numbers x and y respectively. Then फर्स्ट आपल्याला शो करायचे जी स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू AH, आणि सेकंड आहे A is greater than or equal to G is greater than or equal to H. G square is equal to AH and A is greater than or equal to G, greater than or equal to H. So we will show the first. First we write formulas of arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So A, G, H are GM and HM. So A is equal to a self formula. Arithmetic means x plus y upon 2. G is geometric means a formula say under root of xy, and H is equal to 2xy upon x plus y. So these are the formulas of A, G and H. Now we will show the first. G square is equal to H. We will take the RHS. RHS is AH. A is x plus y upon 2 and H is 2xy upon x plus y. So x plus y, this is 2. X plus y and x plus y get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. The remaining is xy, and xy is equal to, here taking square root on both sides. So this is g square is equal to, even here Australia, g square is equal to xy. So xy is equal to g square, which is our LHS. Okay. First we have shown that g square is equal to h. First we will prove. Now second is, we have to show that A is greater than or equal to G is greater than or equal to H. First we will take A minus G. A minus G is equal to, what is A? A is x plus y upon 2 and G is under root of xy. Okay. Cross multiplication correct. X plus y minus 2 into under root of xy divided by 2. This 1 upon 2 will take side. We can write x as root x square. Okay, step by step learn. 1 by 2 takes side, so this is x plus y minus 2 of under root of x y, under root of x y. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Root x can be written as root x whole square, y can be written as under root of y bracket square, and this is minus 2 root x into root y. Okay, root x y can be written as root x into root y. So this is of the form a square plus b square minus twice a into b. So this is the formula for a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus twice ab. So this is 1 by 2 under root of x a is, and b is under root of y whole square. A minus b whole square. And square is always positive. So this is non-negative term. LHS is non-negative term. Non-negative. So RHS is also non-negative. So a minus g is greater than or equal to 0. So a is greater than or equal to g. This is our first equation. This can be written as a by g is greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Now a is greater than or equal to g, we can show. Now we have to show that g is greater than or equal to h. So since in first we have shown that g square is equal to ah, so g square is equal to ah. So this can be written as g upon h is equal to g square can be written as g into g. This is equal to ah. So we will take h in that side, so g divided by h, and 1g we will take that side, so g upon h is equal to a upon g. Okay, and now from this condition, a upon g is greater than or equal to 1. A upon g is greater than or equal to 1. So g upon h is also greater than or equal to 1. Clear? G square is equal to g into gh. G into g लिहिला, h इकडे डिवाइड केला g ला. So g upon h is equal to हा g h के केला इकडे डिवाइड केला, हा g इकडे काय केला डिवाइड केला. So g upon h is equal to a upon g. From this equation, a upon g is greater than or equal to 1. So g upon h is also greater than or equal to 1. So this, therefore g is greater than or equal to h. H into 1 h. So this is equation number 2. So from first and second, from equation first and equation 2, from equation first a is greater than or equal to g, and from second equation g is greater than or equal to h. So a is greater than or equal to g, g is greater than or equal to h. So therefore greater than or equal to h. So this is second condition also proved. Now one result असा आहे, if x is equal to y असेल, if x is equal to y, then arithmetic mean काय पहा, arithmetic mean चा फॉर्म्युला काय, x plus y upon 2 आहे. म्हणजे x is equal to y असेल तर x plus y ला काय रिप्लेस करूया, x करूया. So 2x upon 2 is equal to x, and geometric mean is under root of geometric mean is under root of xy. So this is x is equal to y, so put y is equal to x. So this is under root of x square, square root and square get cancelled, so this is x. Harmonic mean is 2xy upon x plus y. So we'll take x, y is equal to x, so this is 2 into x, and denominator is x plus x. So 2x into x divided by x plus x is 2x. So 2x to x get cancelled is equal to x. So if x is equal to y, then a is equal to x, g is equal to x, and h is equal to x. So therefore, if x is equal to y, then arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic means are equal. If two numbers are equal, then their arithmetic, geometric, and harmonic mean are also equal.